Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play PUBG Mobile in HP laptop. Install a reputable emulator and configure virtualization in BIOS immediately. Allocate 4 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores, update graphics drivers, and choose OpenGL or DirectX rendering. Sign in to your PUBG Mobile account, adjust in-game graphics to smooth, and set frame rate to 60. Test controls and sensitivity before joining ranked matches to ensure smooth performance. To optimize performance, pick an emulator that supports keyboard mapping and GPU acceleration right away. Update HP laptop drivers and set the power plan to high performance for gaming. In emulator settings, assign 4 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores, then choose the best rendering option for your system. Lower PUBG Mobile graphics to smooth, set frame rate to 60, and customize keybinds for consistent aiming and movement during matches. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy downtime between matches, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere, with a bright, glare-free display and long battery life. It also fits nicely on a laptop bag for travel breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice control layouts in a training match to build reliable muscle memory for shooting and movement. Use tap to shoot or auto-fire based on your comfort, and enable gyroscope if you like tilt aiming for precision. Manage overheating with a cooling pad and close background apps to free CPU resources. Regularly back up your account and update the emulator so you don't face crashes during important matches. Try different sensitivity values until aiming feels natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.